Hey guys, it's me. I'm sure you're sick of me with my million emails that I've been sending out, but I wanted to share with you something that I came across with my best friend Google, and I'm going to show you two different ways to put video conferencing for your classes into Google Classroom. And the first way is going to be through Google Meet, while the second will be through Zoom. Okay? The first thing I'm going to do is click this plus sign to create a new class. I'm going to name it Test 2. You can add your subject, your section, your room, whatever you want. Click Create. It's going to take a second to generate. There we go. We have our class. So an awesome way to do this is from our CSEP accounts, we can just click Generate a Meet Link. Okay? Generate a Meet Link. You want to make it visible to students so they can just come to your class, click on the link, and be added to the conference. Save, and there you go. So students, when they log into your class, they can just click here. It will open up Google Meet. Dismiss. Do not allow. I'm going to close out of this. Another way they can do it is when they click on classwork, you see this nice little Meet icon. All right? That is quick and simple. Carter Williams and I used Google Meets for our video conferencing during the spring, but we found that it can be quite tricky because it's not like Zoom where people can talk at the same time and you can hear both of them. So when you're in Google Meet, what it does is one person overpowers the other with their voice and you can't hear the other person. So Zoom is a lot more clear and easy to understand and talk with your students. So what I'm also going to do is show you how to do this through Zoom. So I will click on my handy dandy Zoom icon down here, schedule a meeting. So this is using my personal Zoom account because, you know, we got those emails that our CSEP ones aren't quite ready yet. I can click the date, click the time. So let's pretend this is my math class. So I'm going to do 30-minute math class. Make this a recurring meeting. All right. Now, with advanced options, it's going to allow you to say, can you have a waiting room or can students just join before the host? Do you want to mute the participants when they enter or even automatically record the sessions? So if students happen to miss your class, if you automatically record it, you can actually send that recording to the students, which is fabulous. So I'm going to schedule. It's going to take me into my account. There we go. So when we want to say that it's going to repeat, does it repeat? Does it repeat daily? Only on Fridays? So my math class is every single day. So I'm going to choose every weekday that this will be happening. I'm not going to add Google Meet video conferencing. What I am going to do is copy this information with the meeting code. So once that's copied, you can right-click copy, you can use a shortcut, whatever works for you. But I'm going to go back to my classroom. We named it Test 2. And I'm going to share it in the stream, which is the first page students will see when you have them log in. I'm going to paste it. It's going to stay here and post. Now the problem with Stream is you can see as you add more information for your students to read, it pushes your meeting link down. All right? But we want it to remain the top so students can always find it when they need to click on it. So we're going to go to these 3 dots here and say move to the top. And you see how it's the first thing that they see now. Unfortunately, you might have to do this when you add new things because, again, it pushes it down. So when you add, try to remember to just go to those 3 dots, move it to the top. All right. I hope this will be helpful to you all for our first quarter of virtual teaching. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me and I can help you out.